Okay, Linda, I have downloaded OpenOffice. This is what Laura uses. So we're going to kind of learn together. Um, Down here, bottom left, you can't see me because my screen is not going down that far, but there's the little Windows panel. Anyway, hit that. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to hit this. It says Open Office. Click that. And we want a spreadsheet. So click that and here it is. We're going to move this over and it's down here. I'm going to make it a little bit longer. Okay. So I've got this Open Office open and I also have the Bubble Witch Saga tournament page open. And here's the high score. Here's the one that everybody uses. I'm going to click on it and my Open Office will go away. This is where you post your current scores. So we're going to open this up onto your comments and more comments. In other words, we're moving clear to the top because we're going to start at the top and we're going to place this in the spreadsheet. Over here, top right, you see this little page thing right here. I want you to click it and that's going to make your page go smaller. See, now it's half size. The reason I'm doing that is because I like this page open at the same time I like this page open. So we have two pages here, okay? So we're going to go over here. We're going to be the first one. And I want you to just skip down to number 3. And this is where you're going to start. If you do, see with that little plus sign, make this column larger because this is where the names are going to go. And there are some long names. So we want, again, go over here between A and B, the little plus sign, push it down and just bring it open, make it wider. This next one is going to be the scores, so we don't need that much room. So let's start adding the first name. So we'll do Vicki Murray, and then over here is going to be your score of 106, 040. We're going to go down to the next one, come over here, and just click on it. When you transfer from over here to over here, just do a little click. That way you can scroll up and down on this side. When you come over and you want to work on this page, you do a little click and you're going to be doing the same thing. So let's go back over here. We've done Vicki. And now we're going to do Marilyn. WISOCKI. And her score is 101,235, 101, 235. Next one is Ruby Anderson. And I just want you to go down the list and type in the names, 190, 130, and go all the way down to the bottom one here. As you go, the best way to do it is you've done Vicki Murray, just hit like that. And once you hit Marilyn's, hit a like. That way that you know yourself that you've already collected that score. So go all the way down to the bottom. And when you get down to whoever the last one is, whoops, D. Appleton, you will have, I don't know, how many do we have? Here's my sheet. We will have 27. You'll be down to 27 because see, I skipped 2 lines up here. So you'll have 27 down there. So actually you have what, 25, 24 people. So go through and put all the names in the A column and all the names in the B column. How we're going to title this is just this one. First one is going to be names in all caps. And this is going to be current because this is a high score. It's not most improved, so it is their current score, not their starting score. So far, right now, that's all I want you to do. Go ahead and get all the names set up. And then be sure you go up here and hit File, Save As, and then I always do mine in Documents, and then title whatever it is, and I always just put whatever level it is. This is level 67, and that's how I title it. I'm not going to title this one because, like I said, I already have one started on level 67 right here, and here are all my names and my numbers for the current scores. So anyway, hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know, and we will do it a different way. Anyway, let me know, okay? Thanks.